Right, this is Novotin Shop I channel. We are here at Lucas Moripe Stadium. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Polokwane City not. My sister, how do you feel about the game today?
Yeah, look, we had a very it was very tough. Eh? There was a point where I was giving up. The part where they took out Onyango, it just went all south. But you know what?
Yeah.
But you know what? Big ups to Libusa. He did great, man.
Yeah.
We didn't even expect him to do that. But yeah, you know what? Barsanya Zaba because Bata Obunsari miracles.
Exactly.
So like Kirifela to Masandawana. This was a great win. We had a tough game, but at the end of the day, Relebo had that defender, Polokwane City for scoring the goal.
Yeah.
We love him. We love him wholeheartedly.
Let's go. Let's go.
Wholeheartedly. Yeah.
I celebrate because no celebrate.
I ask if sharp, man. You know what? But life is like rice. Sometimes you win, sometimes you don't.
Yeah.
What our sharp?
It's like rice.
Yeah, it's like rice.
Hey.
Yeah, boiler. Sometimes I boil.
I boil. Yeah. No, thank you very much. Tell me now, who was your man of the match?
My man of the match.
Yeah.
Oh, Musali Busa.
Yeah.
If he didn't do those wonders, I think it would be my usual man of the match.
He also defended.
Kuri Somutau.
Yeah.
One way. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Sandawana. Let's hope for like you'll go through to the semi-final.
Without a doubt.
Yeah.
Like they're saying we fail, Mara. No, Pirates is not the limit. The sky is still the limit.
Who do you want? Who do you want at the final?
You know what? I'm not scared of Pirates anymore. We want Pirates again. We wanna punish them. You can't be winning Nedbank Cup and thinking that you're gonna win with us. We want to take that pride down.
Yeah.
Thank you.
All the best, Sandawana. Go yellow.